Well, good morning, guys. It's Patrick, PCTV. I am here in Montrose, California. We've got a huge lineup for the show here. This is a super popular show. We make it out here when we can every year. And let's get a look at these cars, man. Walking the line here. Nice Mustang, little doggy. Yeah, let's cruise around. I got my C10 here. Unfortunately, it's got a radiator leak. Gotta figure out what's going on with that. It's half painted. Got Clifford's 22 here.
So this is the actual brake line piece that goes from the frame
Robert.
down to the axle. This
And the
mounts
Chanel.
the axle for the rear axle.
Yeah, it looks like a GM. Mike, the GM one's like that too.
Got Mike
The GM
here.
has similar ones too.
That's all done.
Brought us 54. This is beautiful
They
here.
all use kind of the same thing anyway.
Really, really nice. On my new stick here. Oh, look at this gasser. Ooh, look at this gasser here. Nice. Demented. I feel that way sometimes. 390. Ford. Sweet. 567. We got ourselves a street buggy. Is there a pancake on here? Is there a pancake? What do we got? Yeah, pretty sweet. 65. Same color as my very first 65. There's that classic dash. Ranch wagon. I mean, this line just goes Fox body.
I think it's at 7, right? They sent you that piece
Morning,
of
guys.
paper with, hey,
How's it going?
pretty good.
All right. Nice F-250. Dent side. It's a nice morning out here. Fairlane 500. What do you think? 66? 67? GT. 390. Malibu. SS. Yeah, there's a lot of great cars here. Big crowd. Several hundred cars. It's a nice 64 right here. 59 Biscayne 4-door. Family wagon. Back in the day. This was your Kia. This was your Hyundai. Nice Nomad 56. Yeah, all kinds of stuff out here. Look at the lineup down here. We're gonna line up down the street. Give you a little bit more look. C1. Ejected. Good morning.
Hi.
Oh, that's pretty. Is this 55 or earlier? It's 57? It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Great car. Got a 40. Preferred. 5-window right here. Deluxe. We got a Steppy.
I've still got FEMA and
Sold mine a couple years back.
emergency services on the whole 4th floor of my building. They're operating their command center out of there.
Sweet.
And what are they doing? Are they
Nice blue.
Processing claims.
Uh-huh.
Down here, I called him.
Processing all the fire claims they're doing, the Altadena fire cans.
You know, we invited him over for
So 150,
hot dog.
Palisades
big
fire
deal.
started right by my brother's
double nickels,
house. And I was coming back from
5.7. It's for Rich. We got bench seat in this thing. Interesting, to say the least. Wouldn't be my first choice. So we have full day ahead. Z28. You guys didn't know the second gen. These are Italian design, actually. I forgot which carriage house did them. He's got a solid bumper on this one. Good morning. Pretty car. Had a split bumper 73 RSSS 65 goat. Mustang all black. Nice. Gel bars. 23 window early. Really sweet.
How many car shows you go to?
Well, this is kind of sweet. Single wheel trailer here. I need one of these for my 60. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Doing a little PCTV here this morning, and I don't get out much because my shoulder's been bad, so I'm trying. We'll see how
What's
long
your
I last.
60?
Huh?
What's your 60?
It's a bug.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's a cow bug. It's red, and
Oh, nice.
you know, that's movement, guys. So I got to run back to my truck and get in there.
right.
And good
Well,
seeing you.
nice to meet you.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
All right. Good seeing you. Oh, this is yours?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm seriously loving this. Loving it, man. It's beautiful. What, you're 56 or?
60.
It's a 60. Oh, same as me.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Like it, like it. Thank you. All right, guys. Let's roll back up here. Starting to move. Got to get to my truck. Yeah, it's gonna be a great one today. Do some walking around here. Anyway, just thought I'd open it up with a little bit of a preview. You see the lineup here. These guys probably got here a lot earlier than we did. We were at the shop at 5:30 this morning. Drove straight up. We're up against the hills here, out near Glendale, Pasadena. It's a little town of Montrose. Great place for a show.
Montrose Radio.